I'd like to talk about two settings related to the definition of the enterprise item number. So let's see. We have in the platform, the administrators can define, can enable these two settings. One is related to the uniqueness of the definition of the enterprise item number. So in case you would like to have the enterprise item number unique in the platform, then your administrator will set up this option. He'll need to select and enable this option. The other setting is related to the definition of the enterprise item number on the level of the revision of the same product. So by default, when we create a new revision in the platform of the same product, the system will inherit the previous enterprise item number, and you won't be able to modify it. But if you select this option, then you will be able to create a different enterprise number on the level of the revision. So in the first option, if I enable this setting, then the system will block me if I try to redefine the same item number for, let's say, another product, and it will ensure that this number is always unique in the database. So you will get an error message which clearly says that this enterprise item number already exists. And in the second setting, when I define when I create a new revision, then I will be able to create also a new enterprise item number on the new revision that is related to the same product. So let's see how this works. Here we have these two settings which the administrator has access to. So by default, these settings are not enabled. So let's see how it works without the settings. So I'm trying now to add a new enterprise item number on one product, and I tried the same enterprise item number to define it on another product, and the system will allow me to do that, which means it is not unique, and that is possible. However, if I enable this option now as administrator, and I try to define the same enterprise item number on another product, then the system will simply block me because it is not unique. And this setting will simply protect you from these situations. Now, for the other setting, if now we create another enterprise item number, which is different, and it's not available in the platform, so the system will allow you to do that. So now let's see the second setting. By default, when I create a new revision of the same product, the system will inherit the enterprise item number, and it will add it to the new revision, as we see here. And this is something you cannot modify. But if I enable now the setting, I will be able to have a different enterprise item number on new revisions. So even though they are inherited, I can still modify them. So let's see. I'm creating now a new revision. And now when I open the new revision, I see that I can modify the enterprise item number, which means that you can have different enterprise item numbers on different revisions of the same product.